Hi guys, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you 10 daily habits to stop back pain. But before I do, stay until the end because I have a super important tip for you. While determining the cause of your back pain can be tricky, there are many different actions you can take to help relieve your back pain or prevent it from getting worse. These include relieving pressure, reducing tension, protecting your spine, and strengthening your muscles. Changing a few daily habits can help you keep your back healthy and pain-free for a long time. 1. Sleep with a pillow under your knees. Sleeping on your back puts pressure on your spine. Raising your legs slightly relieves this pressure on your back while you sleep. You can cut this pressure in half by putting a pillow under your knees. 2. Work your core. A regular strength training routine that focuses on the core muscles can help reduce the risk of back-related injuries, such as strains and muscle spasms. Try incorporating back strengthening exercises and abdominal exercises into your workout at least twice a week to develop a stronger, more flexible back. 3. Increase your calcium and vitamin D intake. Strong bones can help prevent osteoporosis. It is one of the most common causes of back pain later in life, especially for women. Keep your backbone strong by consuming plenty of calcium and vitamin D. 4. Change your shoes. Wear comfortable, low-heeled shoes to avoid back pain. They reduce the strain on the back while standing. Shoes with less than a 1-inch heel are the best bet for your back. 5. Straighten up. Good posture is not just a way to look more fit. It protects the intricate parts of your spine to keep them healthy and functioning properly. Poor posture puts tension and stress on your back and can alter the architecture of your spine. Avoid rounding your shoulders, bending sideways when standing. 6. Don't fall over your desk. When sitting in an office chair, use the same good posture techniques you use when standing. It is critical to maintain good posture and support your back when sitting, especially if you do this for several hours a day. Choose a quality chair that provides firm support for your lower back and make sure your knees are slightly higher than your hips when you sit. 7. Mix it up. Whether you are at an office party or at a bar during happy hour, avoid sitting in an uncomfortable position or staying in one place. Move around the room to avoid putting pressure on your spine, which can happen if you stay in one place for too long. 8. Put out that cigarette. We all know that smoking is a serious health risk, and smokers are also more likely to experience back pain than non-smokers. One reason for this is that nicotine restricts blood flow to the discs of the spine. This can cause them to dry out, crack, or rupture. Smoking also reduces the amount of oxygen in the blood, which causes a reduction in the nutrition of the muscles and tendons in the back. 9. Lighten your load. Whenever possible, take some of the weight off your shoulders by carrying less, distributing the weight to both sides of your body, or shifting the weight from one shoulder to another. Consider using a cart or wheel bag for heavier loads, such as grocery bags or file boxes. 10. Stretching. Standing, sitting, or lying in one place for a long period of time is not healthy for your back. Relieve the strain of the day whenever you can by standing up, walking, and doing some simple stretches. This will help improve the circulation in your back. It can also relieve any tension or pain that occurs due to inactivity. And as I promised, a super tip to help you even more. An amazing 100% natural supplement that has helped thousands of people get rid of back pain super efficiently. Spinal Force. I will quickly summarize how I met Spinal Force. At the beginning of this year, I began to feel acute pain in my back and joints. I had to take a few days off work, and when I returned to my surprise had been fired. I continued to visit the doctor. The prescribed medications worked for a few weeks, but the pain returned increasingly unbearable. I started to get scared, spent the whole day taking painkillers, but nothing relieved my pain. Some doctors I consulted even prescribed me morphine, but I Refused. I did not believe it. I was tired of taking so many medications. The pain I felt was so intense that I would rather die than continue to feel these pains. Until one day I was referred to Dr. Joe, a Chinese specialist in chronic back and joint pain. Because I had nothing else to lose, I decided to go to the consultation. I told my story, and he said he treated patients in the same situation every day. And for all these cases, he always recommended spinal force. I felt even more secure because the doctor explained to me that the manufacturer of spinal force gave me a 60-day guarantee. If I didn't like the results, I would just ask for my money back. So I made this low investment and started the treatment with spinal force, and in the second week I already had positive results. I couldn't believe that this supplement would be curing all my pain. It was amazing how the pain was gone from my body, and I could do my routine activities. I will forever be grateful to Dr. Joe for referring me to spinal force. I am much more willing to do my activities, and best of all, free of back and joint pain. Start using it, and you will be shocked at its effectiveness. Imagine the relief. So here is this suggestion of a super product that has given much result for many people, and to help you, I left the link in the description here and in the comments of this video of this product, the spinal force, to help you a lot to improve your quality of life. If you like this content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your likes here. And if you have any questions, also just leave a comment here below. I'll be very happy to help you, and see you next time.